Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover. Removal. Remove the hooks on the power button from the pins on the display cover and remove. Remove the hooks on the volume button from the pins on the display cover and remove. Replacement. Place the hooks on the volume button onto the pins on the display cover. Place the hooks on the power button onto the pins on the display cover.